Okay, good morning everyone. Here is Ms Noura. Today we will just continue about the 3D shapes. We will talk the features of the 3D shapes, faces, vertices, and edges. Today, lessons 4, week 9. Classwork, it will be 477, 480, and homework 197, 198. Let's start. Okay. So here is our standard here to recognize and draw shapes. They have specific attributes. Our objectives identify how many faces, vertices, and edges for some 3D shapes. Our center question, what are 3D shapes? So let's start with this figure. Here, in any 3D shape, I want to know how many face and how many edges and how many vertices. You remember that we took in the 2D shapes, we took the corners, sides, and angles. Here in we talk about faces, edges, and vertices. Vertices the same like corners. So we have to know what the meaning of face. Let's see now where is the face. Yes, the pink color surface we call it a face. It's a flat surface. Where is the edge? Yes, here is the edge. The edge is the line that connects between two faces that meet together. Where is the edge? Sorry, the vertex. Vertex is a point that three or more than three edges meet together. So here I have a pyramid we took it yesterday. Today we will know how many faces and how many vertices and how many edges for this shape. Count with me the faces. One in the back, two, three, four, and five. Some of you, they will ask me, teacher, why they draw these lines with points, not like the usual. Because when I bring this pyramid, I can't see the hidden faces because it has a space in real life. So I can't see them, but they are there. So they are just lines and faces, but they are there, but in real life, I can't see them. They draw it for you to understand where is the hidden face. Now, let's continue. So we have five faces. How many edges the side? Here is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Excellent. Eight edges. And how many vertices? One, two, three, four, five. Perfect. And five vertices. So we're gonna see this video. This video identify how many faces, vertices, and edges for the three shapes. Yes, all these shapes, they take space. They have three dimensions. This is the length, this is the width, and the height. All the world is made up of a 3D shape. Everything that we can hold, that like a ball, the book, and also the ball. All of them are 3D shape, and they present boxes. Let's see about the features for the 3D shapes. So we talk about the faces, edges, and corners or vertices. The flat surface, we call it a face. It's not a happy face. The edge. When two surfaces are meet together, it's an edge. The corner. When two or more than edges are met together, it's a vertex. Yes, can you see I have this square? It's made a face of my 3D shape. Let's see some dimensional shape. If we will start with excellent cube, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. We have two in the back. Faces, edges, and corner are same in size. Can you see how many squares around this is a cube? All the squares are the same in size. This shape we call it a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. It's the same like a cube but different in the spaces. We have a rectangular faces. The opposite faces in the rectangular prisms all the time they are the same. This shape is a triangular prism. It has 5 faces, 9 edges, 6 corners. Triangular prisms, yes, 2 faces are triangles and 3 faces are rectangles. All the opposite sides of triangles are the same. Yes, so some 3D shapes has more than flat. I want to explain this one, yes. Here is in this shape as you took it yesterday, it's a cylinder. It has flat surface, this is 2, and one curved surface. The flat surface, that means when I put the thing, it will not roll round. It will not roll around. But the curved surface, if I put it, it can move easily, like a ball, like a can, Pepsi can, or for example, like a cone. So it can roll easily. But in our lesson, only the flat surfaces we call it faces. If you face curved surfaces, it's not a face. So the face only for the flat surfaces. Yeah, so the faces are always flat. This shape is what? A cylinder effect. Yes, two circles opposite are the same in size and a curved face in the middle. Two flat faces, one curved surface. They said they have two edges because they make the curved face as a curved surface as a two meeting, for example, faces. But in our book, the cylinder, it doesn't have edge because they say the edge is meeting between two faces. Two faces. Here is we have one face and here is we have a curved surface. So here we don't have any edge in a cylinder. Let's continue. No corners. Yes. Not an ice cream cone, this is a cone. Yes, we have a circle as a flat face and a point. It's not a corner or vertex, it's a point. So only one flat face, one curved surface, one edge, no corners. Yes, teacher. For the cone, here they said about uh, the circle like an H, but it's not an H because the H is between two faces and the curved surface is not a face. So in the cone, we just have one face and zero edge and zero corners. So let's go now. Again, here is a cylinder, here is the cube, here is the sphere, here is the cone, and here is a rectangular prism. Let's make a review. How many vertices does this shape have? Remember, the vertices mean the point. I have point up, sorry, I have, I have point up, point down, and here, and one in the back. Yeah, so how many I have? Excellent, I have 5. Now, how many vertices does this shape, how many vertices does this shape have? Yes, vertices, one up, one down. Here is 4, and here is 4 down, because up is a rectangle and down is a rectangle. Yes, excellent, it's a 8, it's a 8, perfect. Here is how many flat surfaces does this shape have? Surfaces flat. Yes. Here is a cube. One up, one down, 4 around. So it's 6. How many flat surfaces does this shape have? One up, one down. So I have 2. Yes. Let's see next. Okay. So here, okay, here I have 5 flat surfaces. I have 5 vertices. 5 and 5. Remember 4 vertices down, 1 up. Sphere, cone, cylinder, or pyramid. Excellent, it's a pyramid. Now, which is true about this cube? This cube. Let's count the faces. Told you the cube, 1 up, 1 down, 4 around, 6. vertices, 4 up because I have already a square up, and 4 down because I have already square down. So 4 up, 4 down, 8. So the answer is B. Perfect. Which groups of solid figure can roll? Remember, only the curved surfaces can roll. There is only I have a sphere and a cone, sphere and a cylinder, sphere and a cone, sphere, cylinder, and a cone. Yes, excellent. It's a D. Which shape matches this flat surface? A flat surface for a cone. Is it a triangle, or a circle, or a cube, or a square, or a rectangle? Yes, excellent. It's a circle. Perfect. Now, let's go to the next. Okay. Okay. This is your book. In your textbook, lesson 5. Let's see, lesson 4, sorry. Let's see now and practice again. As I told you, here for the pyramid, I have 1 face down, 4 around, 5. Again, 1 face down, 4 around, 5 pyramid. Pyramid. 1 face down, 4 around, 5. Vertex is the same. 4 vertices down, 1 up, 5. 4 vertices down, 1 up, 5. For the edges, the lines, 4 down, 4 around, 8. 4 down, 4 around, 8. Now for the cube. The cube faces 1 up, 1 down, 4 around. Yeah, 6 and 6. Vertices 4 up, 4 down, 8. Vertices mean the point. And the edges, the lines, 4 up, 4 down, 4 around, or aside, it will be 12. Let's say it again. The cube is the same like rectangular prism. How many faces for rectangular prism? 1 up, 1 down, 4 aside, 6. Vertices, the point, 4 up, 4 down, 8. Edges, 4 up, 4 down, 4 around, 12. Okay. Now, so let's write them. Here it's 4 faces. I have 6. 4 vertices. I have 8. 4 edges is 12. And here is 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12. Let's see the sphere. Sphere has 0 faces, 0 vertices, and 0 edges. For the cylinder, remember how many faces? Yes, 2 faces. How many vertices? 0. How many edges? 0. Why? I told you here we don't consider this is the edge because this is only a face and the edge between 2 faces, and here is a curved surface. Now, for the cone, I have only 1 face down, and I have 0 vertex, and here is 0 edge. Because this is not a vertex, it's a point. Okay. Let's see now. Here is, I have to fill this chart, each one with the faces, edges, and vertices. Let's start now as a review. For a cube face, I told you 1 up, 1 down, 4 around, 6. Edges, the lines, 4 up, 4 down, 4 around, 12. Vertices, 4 up, 4 down, 8. Pyramid faces 1 down, 4 around, 5. Edges 4 down, 4 aside, 8. Edges, remember all the time, edges means line. faces, remember the happy face. And the vertices mean the point. How many point here? How many vertices I have? 4 down, 1 up, 5. For the cone, 1 face, 0 edges, and 0 vertices. Rectangular prism is the same like a cube. 6 faces, edges, 4 up, 4 down, 4 around, 12. Vertices, 4 up, 4 down, 8. For the cylinder, I have 1 up, 1 down, 2 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices. For sphere, it's 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices. Excellent. Now, let's see the next. Now here circle a shape that matches the description. I am a shape, 5 faces, 8 edges, 5 vertices. 5 faces. This is not 5 faces. I told you face up, face down, face around, 4 around. Here is 6. Where is 5 faces? Excellent. It's a pyramid. Perfect. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. This is the most number of everything. Cylinder? No. No. A cube. 0 faces, 0 edges, 0 vertices. Excellent. Sphere. Here is before we solve it, just I wanted to check the answer here. I have 0. So 1 face, 0 edge, 0 vertex, only 1 edge. Perfect. Perfect. So let's go to the next now. Here is a problem solving. I am a three-dimensional shape. I have 1 face. I do not have edges. And my surface makes a sharp point. What shape am I? Draw and label me. So first of all, I have only 1 face, okay? And a point. Remember, not a vertex, it's a point. What the shape? Excellent. It's a cone. Let's together draw a cone. A cone, I would draw it like a circle first, and then make 2 lines up. So this is a cone, and I label it here cone. Yes. Now, number 2, Barbara said that a cube and a rectangular prism are the same. Is she correct? Explain. When I look to the rectangular prism and a cube, are these the same? No, why? Excellent, because the faces of a cube, all of them are the same in size, but in rectangular prism, the sizes of the faces are different. Sometimes the face is long, like a rectangle. Sometimes it's short, like a cube or a small rectangle. So, not the same. Is it correct? You said no. Why? Because the size of a cube of a cube's face the sizes are the same, but for rec for rectangular prism are not. Yes, are not. So no, because the sizes of cubes faces are the same, but for rectangular prism are not. Let's continue now. It is like a review of your vocabulary. Let's read and find the answer. The flat part of a 3D shape. What is the flat part of 3D shape? Excellent, it's a face. Perfect. Where two faces meet. It's edge or vertex. Yes, perfect. It's edge. Where three or more faces meet. Perfect. It's vertex. Excellent. Now let's take a review about your homework. This is your homework. They said color the shape. Color the shape in the column B that is shown in column A. What the shape? Is it a cone or a pyramid? Perfect, the cone. Here is a tissue box. It's look like a rectangular prism or a cube. Yes, excellent rectangular prism. This is a bead or a ball. It looks like a cylinder or a sphere. Excellent, look like a sphere. Let's go next. Here is circle the shape that has what? Before solving this, I just want you to put x on 1 and make it 0 and then solve it. Here is I have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. I have the most number of everything. What am I? Perfect. It's a rectangular prism. Now, one face, 0 edges, 0 vertex. Only one face. Perfect. It's a corner. Let's see next. It is complete the table. Cylinder, how many faces? Excellent. 1, 2. You're right. 1, 2. How many edges? No edges. How many vertices? No vertices. Excellent. Here is a rectangular prism. How many faces? 1 up, 1 down, 4 around, 6. Edges, the lines. 4 up, 4 down, 4 aside, 12. The vertices, the points. 4 up, 4 down, 8. The cube is the same. The pyramid, how many faces? 1 down, 4 around, 5. Edges, 4 down, 4 around. The lines are 8. And the point, vertices, 4 up, down, 1 up. 6 and that's 5. Here is, you have to write how many faces for each one. Here I have a cone has, how many faces the cone? Excellent, 1. How many edges? Perfect, 0. And how many vertices? 0, excellent. And where is the cone? You have to circle the shape of a cone here. A sphere has what? Very nice, 0, 0, 0 for everything. And where is the shape of sphere? Very nice, here and here. Now I have more than 8 edges. This is a riddle. Only 2 of my faces are squares. Not all the faces are square. If all faces are square, it will be a cube. But not all the faces are square. What is the brother of cube? It's longer than a cube. Excellent. It's a rectangular prism. Perfectly. Now let's see something else. I want you to Play with me a little bit. Okay. I want to find what this name. You know, remember? Let's try together. Corn. Perfect. How many face for corn? Two? I don't know. No, teacher, your mistake. It's one. What the number of edges? I remember it's zero. Yes, right. How many of vertices? Perfect. Zero. See some example of cone? Yes, like a birthday hat, or you want to put some oil, you could use these cones. Perfect. Let's go to the next. Aha, another dimensional shape. Let's see what this shape name. I don't know. Can you help me? Let's do some magic here. Aha, it's a cube. How many faces? One, two. One up, one down, four around. Six. How many edges? Four up, four down, four around. 12. How many vertices? Four up, four down. 8. Excellent. Some example for the cubes. Excellent. The sugar cube and the dice. Perfect. Let's see next. What this shape is. Cylinder. Cylinder. Let's see how many faces for cylinder. One up, one down. Two edges. Zero vertices. Zero. Some examples. Some examples for cylinder. Yes, the can that you can bring your food from it. And let's see the other dimensional shape. We have it here. Are we finished? No, still one. What do you call the shape? Let's remove this one a little bit. Yes. Pyramid. Perfect. What about the faces? One down, four around, five. Edges, four down, four around, eight. And vertices, four down, one up, five. Perfect. And let's see where you can see the pyramid in Egypt and also your house roof. Perfect. So this is the lesson for today, teacher. We just discovered the features for the 3D shapes, faces, edges, and vertices. Remember the difference between each thing, and focus that the cone has only one face, zero edges, and zero vertices. Thank you for watching me and see you in the next time. Bye bye.